Oh, Jessie. I need you.
You need me.
Yes. Jessie's like, tell me more.
I require your assistance. I would like you to stand on my back, please.
Oh, okay. I was like, what?
Oh. How sexy are his knees?
Those knees.
They are hot.
Oh,
They are the sexiest things I've ever seen. Where do you want me? Where do you want me? How do you want me?
Right on the ground.
Where?
flat.
Yeah, you'll be able to stand. You won't need.
Okay, take deep breath in.
Oh, hang on. Yeah, I'm good.
Then out.
Yeah.
There's a little baby crack.
There's a little one. You go higher.
There's not much happening tonight.
Look at that technique.
Oh, there we are. That's a bit. There was little baby cracks.
There was. There's a couple of little ones. I feel good now. See that? That's freedom. That is.
Freedom, you're feeling mobile?
That is how we blossom.